Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to deactivate your Roblox account on PC with the new update. If you're looking to take a break or remove your account entirely, this is the video for you. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left menu where you'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to expand the options. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Now, in the Settings menu, you'll find various options. Click on Privacy to proceed. Next, scroll down until you see the option for Deactivate Account. This is where you'll initiate the deactivation process. Once you've found it, click on Deactivate. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. To complete the deactivation, you'll need to enter your password for verification. Make sure to type it in correctly, then hit the Verify button. And just like that, your Roblox account will be deactivated. Remember, deactivating your account means you won't have access to your games, friends, and all of your creations until you reactivate it later on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. If you have any questions about the deactivation process or Roblox in general, drop a comment below. Catch you in the next video.